Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes po.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Ma'am?
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Ex-abroad, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because same time in Philippines.
Can you help me introduce yourself?
Okay, ma'am. My name is Rachel Angeles, 42 years old. I live in Imelda Valley, Tupalayan City, Philippines. My educational background is high school graduate. My experience My work experience in DH in Kuwait, all around, cooking, cleaning, wash the clothes, and cooking. And Leslie, to my future employer, I'm honestly and work.
Okay. So I need to know some few more details from you first. Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
42 years old, ma'am, and farmers, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
August 8, ma'am, 1982, ma'am.
What? 19?
83, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
Ma'am,
What is your height and your weight?
5, ma'am. I'm 57 weight, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
You mentioned, according to your profile, it was stated that you have three children, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Ages 16, ages 22, 16, and 11 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My parents and my husband, ma'am.
How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
62, ma'am. And no work, ma'am.
How
My
many
husband,
brother and sister do you have?
two sister and two brother, ma'am.
What is your rank in your family?
Three, ma'am.
You are the third. So is your family or your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2021 to 2024. You worked for how many years?
2 years and 9 months, ma'am.
2 years and 9 months. And according to you just a while ago, you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing. Did you take care of any children inside the house or elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take care any children or elderly inside the house to your previous employer in Kuwait?
Yeah, no, ma'am.
So you do house chores only.
Yes,
What happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
ma'am.
What happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
I'm go to Philippines, ma'am. Vacation,
You
ma'am.
go back in the Philippines. So after 2024 and until recently, you are a full-time mother.
Yes, ma'am.
So I would like to let you know that Kuwait and Malaysia is quite different. Okay?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Houses here is quite big, there is no joke. Yeah?
Yes,
So you need to get ready yourself because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Kuwait. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What type of dishes you can prepare?
Mm, Arabic food, ma'am.
But are you willing to learn some new recipes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
So as I have mentioned many times, you will going to sign a 2 years contract, same like what you did in Kuwait. Okay? Any
Okay.
uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time. But instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how do you fight your homesickness?
Ma'am?
How do you fight your homesickness? What do you do? So normally, what are you doing if you feel homesick?
I work by busy, ma'am.
Make yourself busy.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think you can finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your family at the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because he will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there. But don't bring it here in Malaysia. We need to humble ourselves at the same time because this is not our country. We are a foreigner in this country. So we need to follow the rules and regulations. And we need to respect also at the same time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.